Hello, welcome to my channel Kitika Entertainment. Today I'll tell you how to create TCP networking program, TCP socket programming by using command line arguments. Okay, how to create a program, simple program by using command line argument. That means there is one server and another one client. They want to connect with each other by using IP address, and that IP address has given uh, by the client to connect to the server, and so the server is established. Then client want to connect to the server. Then client decide which server it want to connect. So it will be give the IP address and the port number of that server, so that it will be connect to that server of corresponding server. So then thing is why we use the command line argument, because of if we will be fix the your port number, then what will be happen? So it will be repeated when you run this program repeatedly. It will be display bind error. So to avoid this bind error, that is what is the bind error? Now when you run any program, then operating system will be hold that port number, so that after few times seconds when you run this program again, it will be display bind error or port is already used. That means your port already kept by the operating system. So you need to be wait for few seconds to free the port by operating system. So we don't want to wait for that. So better we can input different ports into the program by using command line arguments. Command line arguments are very much easy if you know the if you have the clear, if you have the concept, if you have know the concept of C programming, then you can do this program very well. So what is the command line argument? Command line argument means whenever command line argument, the program when you run, we at a time we give the input. That means what? Now when you write the /edit out file name, after press the enter, it will be asking enter the first number. We enter the number, then enter second, we enter another number. Then you press the enter, then it will display the summation of that two numbers. But it is time taking. Enter the first number 1 second, and you have entered the input. It is the second. It is the 2 second. When again it asking enter the second number, it is the what? Now it takes a 3 seconds. When you put the input, it takes the 4 seconds, and after it you can find output will display 5 seconds. So instead of this process, it is a time taking process. I directly specify the input at the time of execution. That means /edit out, and right side I have mentioned 5 7. Then when you press the enter, it directly take the input 5 7 by using command line argument. Okay, that things I will be do in my socket programming, how to use the command line arguments in socket programming. So let's start it. Okay, gedit. Suppose here I'll start. Suppose this server. I'll be mention server 8.c. Okay, here also write what? Now gedit. Okay, client 8.c. Okay, so server 8.c. I press the enter. Then write the program. I'll be write the program very speed, so that it will be save your time. Okay, then hash include. Okay, then stdlib.h. Okay, then hash include. Okay, then string.h. Okay, so here next I will declare the all header files for the socket programming has include sys socket.h has include, okay, then sys types.h, okay, then has include, okay, then what is now orpa /inet dot h, okay, has include, okay, then what net inet /ip dot h, then has include, okay, net inet /in dot h, then has include, okay, then what is the program right, unistd dot h, okay, then and we start int main, okay, though it is a server, so no need to write the command argument inside this because of it is a server program. So server will be constant and different types client need to connect to the server, so they need the IP address of the server by using command line arguments. So here I will declare int suppose server, okay, server socket is equal to what na socket. Here I will be mention the family name af underscore inet, okay, then sock, okay, stream, because I am going to be stream socket. So then what is prototype, IP proto, okay, underscore TCP, because it is TCP protocol I am using. So if you are beginners, then if you are beginners, then you go and learn. I have given the description list, the beginners, the TCP programming for beginners. Okay, then another thing, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, then comment, like, share, so that it will motivate me to give the everyday new programs. Okay, then here write what naive server socket, okay, server socket equals to minus, that means if socket is failed to create, then what will write here, p error, okay, socket failed, socket creation failed, okay. So then next is what, now I want to close my program here, so don't go hide, so it is good. Then what is next I will be declare the, okay, internet structure. What is structure, then struct sock addr underscore in, okay, server, and next is the client, okay, then server dot scene family is equal to af underscore inet, okay, server here by mistake it is written, so here write af underscore, okay, inet. So next is what, the server dot scene port. What is port, na af port is the STONS, host to network short. So here given the support 5000, okay. So here is given the 5000. Next is then next what will write here, now here you will be write server, so better server dot scene port, okay. Then next is server dot scene underscore addr dot s underscore addr is equal to inaddr underscore ne, okay. So here I directly write the what, na suppose 5000. So what will be happen here, now I can be use here command line arguments. So to I can use the command line argument, so that bind mistake I can bind error mistake, I can avoid, because every time when you run the program, I will be assign new port number to this program. So I'll do here, I am taking only the port number. So int, okay, argc argument count, okay, then char argv argument vector, okay, then here write suppose what na 1. Suppose here write the 2. Okay, so here write the 2. So one thing here will do, okay, I repeatedly want to change the port number, because if I use the same port number, it will be display what now port is already used. So here what will declare, I will write here now int, okay, int suppose port, int port is equal to, here is the one conversion function is there. What is the conversion function? ATOI, ASCII to integer. Okay, so here write ARGV, okay, then 1. Why we write here 1? Because of, okay, when you run the program, you are typing ./a.out. Okay, then what is its position? Its position is the argv0. Okay, then when you give suppose 5000, then this 5000 value is what? Now argv1. Okay, so here instead of argv0, I have written argv1. Okay, so I think it will be clear. If you will not understand, then you can write also in comment box. I will understand this. So here instead of this, you can write also directly port. Okay, so okay, then what we'll do here, will be press the enter. Okay, then you will be make it bind, int b is equal to bind, will be right here. Okay, server socket, okay, server socket, bind server socket equals to bind, then what to write here, now stock sock addr, okay, then ampersand, okay, then what will be write server, then size of server, okay, then size of server, then what to write here, if b equals to okay -1, then what will happen, now p error bind failure. Okay, so after bind failure, I need my program should be closed there, and it will go not forward, it will not go to the forward. So here after this, I will write the listen function. Listen function means make a queue for incoming request from the client, so that you will write, okay, then server socket, okay, server socket, then write the 5. Okay, here you will write, suppose here I will be assign suppose int l, okay, listen function successful, it returns the 0. So he will write if l equal to 0, okay, then what to write, now printf, okay, printf listening port is ready, port is ready for listening. You can anything you can write also. Okay, then close this. Then what will I write here? You can write also int okay, you can write also int client address, client socket, okay, is equal to accept, okay, what to write here, accept, what to write? Now you will write also server socket. Okay, server socket. Then we will write, before that you will write int size is equal to what? Now size of client. Okay, then here we will write, okay, then stock addr pointer, okay, ampersand client. Then what to write here? Ampersand client. Then okay, ampersand size. How much byte it will receive the size of the client. So then here write if client socket equals to -1, what is the error? Now p error, here accept error. Okay, so that it will be closed, then we will write the exit. Okay, so we will be closed this. Then after what we will write? Printf connection request from %s/n. What to write here? You remember, you will write inet_ntoa, network to ASCII. That means it is used to convert from dotted format to string format. So what will write here? So client, okay, dot scene_addr. Okay, then close this. Then this is closed. This is the server side. So I'll be close this. Then compile and check whether it is running successfully or any error. So yes, you can find errors are there because I have written this the false. So here I'll be go and check line 50. This is okay, 46. Not this thing synchronized. So to close. Then okay. Then many errors I can found. /n is not given. Okay. So 24. I have server.scene_addr.sh. Then semicolon is not given. 23 semicolon is not given. 34 is the /n is not given. 24, 34. 24, why is it 24? This is 24. 24, that is 23. 20 semicolon is not given before the 24, and this is the what? Your /n. Why /n is not given? Okay, so then I'll save this, then close it. Before close, I want to clear the screen automatically. So here write system, okay, then clear. Okay, then save this, then close, then compile. Successful. A dot /a.out. Okay, then it will display segmentation fault code doubt. So why this is the things? See, orpa/inet/data net/IP address and net and sys type sys socket orpa/inet.h net/inet/ip.h net/ip. So I'll check this on IP proto sock stream f_sockstream IP proto_tcp. So if server security -1, please socket error. Then socket server client server simply fnet, then int port. Yes, this is the mistake because I have not given the port number because the command line argument. So we will be give the input at the time of program execution. That means // here will be give the port number 8000. Okay, then port is ready. Then same thing, I'll be cancel it. Then instead of write same code repeatedly, I'll be decide to save your time. So I'll be copy up to this and I'll be close this. Okay, then I'll be go to the client side. Here I'll be paste the program. So here also I want to give the both okay, both here I'll give the both IP address and port. So here what is the what is my size 3. Okay, here I give the size 3. So here I will be write the program. What will write the program? Here also I'll need some minor mistake. Okay, client client socket is solved already. Then here will be mistake. I'll change client. Okay, client socket. Here is socket file. Next talk socket is our client. Here is no need the client because it is the client itself. So server family happens. Then here what will we do here? Here I will write some code. What is now if okay if this AR argument counts, if you don't have idea about command and argument, then you can go my channel and check better found of what is command and arguments video. Okay, so here we will write argc. Okay, if argc less than equals to suppose 2. Okay, or if less than equal to 3. If your command line argument is less than 3, okay, then it will be display the error. So what is the display error? Printf missing command line argument. Command line argument. Okay, so I'll be this. Then when you do this, it should be closed. So here I want to close my program. Okay, if you will given command argument exact 0 1 1 means what? ARGB 1 means suppose I'll be assigned the IP address. IP address. Okay, then ARGB 2 means it is the what is now port. Okay, so here what will do here? Now ARGB 1 IP address. So this line, okay, so this is the ARGB port 2. So here I will write the port number 2. After I will comment this. Okay, so here for port number, what to write here? You will be write. Okay, you remember how to write here? You will be write char. Okay, char. Suppose IP address. Okay, char IP address is equal to AR char IP address. Here I'll take the suppose pointer. Okay, char IP address. Better you. I think it is difficult to know the pointer concept. So I have made it easy. IP address will be right. Okay, IP address. This is the char IP address. Will be right. Then what will we do here? IP address will be assigned the here will write IP addr. Okay, strcpy. Okay, IP addr. Okay, what are the value of ARGB1 will be copied to the IP address. What is the input is given? 1. 1 means first argument. I will tell you. Suppose when you write this, okay, when you write this ./a.out, I will be give here IP address suppose 127.0.0.1 and port suppose 8000. Okay, this is my this is my ARGB1, this is my ARGB2. Okay, so here I'll be go here, and this is the ARGB1. I'll be copy this. This is the string format. So when we store here, then what is the logic to store here? I'll be tell you. Before that, I want to store the int port. Okay, port is equal to what to write? Will be write ATOI, ASCII to integer ARGB2. Okay, ARGB2. Okay, so okay, here I have already written, so I will remove this. Okay, so alright, since server port, here you can write okay, here you can write int port. Okay, okay, int port is equal to ATOI. These things you can write also. Then port. Okay, then when we initialize this, then how to initialize? I will tell you how to initialize. So you need to convert this IP address. You need to convert this IP address into what? System formatted IP address. System format is the operating system to know this is a string formatted IP address. So you have to convert into IP address that will be understood by the OS. So what there is another function you can write inet underscore ATON, ASCII to network type. ASCII to network type, what to write here? You will write here. Okay, what to write here? IP addr. Okay, then IP addr, what to write here? IP addr will be write ampersand. Okay, then client dot scene underscore addr dot s underscore addr. This is the format. Okay, have you seen here? This is the same format I will be written here. Okay, instead of client you will be write the server, because this is the what destination IP address where it will be moved. Okay, so here write server dot scene addr dot s addr, because this is the what now path of the IP address where to be stored, and where to store server dot scene addr dot s underscore addr. So here it will be stored the what IP address. So this IP address now, okay, now to store where the server dot scene addr dot s addr IP address which is come from okay ARGB1. ARGB1 means command line argument. So it will store in IP address. Then IP address I'll be converted. I'll be store this IP address into which format? INET means internet. Internet A2 means ASCII to okay, ASCII to network type. That means now this string formatted IP address will be converted into what is stored into this okay this variable. This is the variable to store the IP address. Okay, so I'll be remove this. Okay, acha, then instead of a bind you can write here C. C is the for using the connect. Okay, connect function is used in server second. Instead of server second you can write also here client. Okay, client socket stock socket. Then instead of server you will be okay, you will be write the server variable and size of server. Okay, here write if C equal to -1, then if then you here write the connection failed. Connection failed. Okay, so okay, connection failed exit 0. After if connection successful, then you can write here message printf connected to server. Okay, then you will give the /n. Okay, then I will compile this. Okay, then see I will compile whether it is running successful or not. Okay, so I will close this. Then here I will go to share. Okay, then write the GCC. Okay, I find the errors. Then what is the error? I'll tell you. Then STO port is undeclared. Okay, int port. So server dot scene port is equal to STONS. Okay, then I'll check why if it is declared, then what is display? Int port is equal to STOARGB2. Okay, then server dot scene port is equal to STONS port. Then here I'll check where I think this is this bracket and this is this bracket. Okay, then int port is equal to ATOI ARGB2 server dot scene underscore port is STONS port. Then I'll check why this error occurred. Warning. Then ARGB2 error expected. This before 30. In the line number 30, when you find the before, that means line number 30 is 20. In 20 line, number line, you can find missing the semicolon. You check whether it is yes or no. 29. Where? Yes, here. 30 expected before, that means this is also expected before 30. So I will close it and run. You see another things here. Compile. You can find this things. This error in the display that is incompatible type this function. Then why this occur? I will tell you. First I will run this program. Okay, when you run this, again I will compile because already this contains the code of client 8. So I can compile, then it will store the server 8C execution code. Then I will run this. It is the successful run. Okay, then I will compile this. Okay, then it is also successful. It is compiled. It is warning message, so it is not problem. This is compiled successful. Then when run this program ./a.out, it will also run. Missing component argument, so you write. Okay, first port number, first IP address 27.0.0.1. Then what is the IP address? Here port number 8000. Then you find connected server also requested comes from her. But here this thing is why it is display this error. I want to tell you, if you are not clear about C, then you will be find this error. So to this you can write also man inet underscore nt aton. It will be display some helps. Till then I want to tell you why this error was occurred, because this is the IP address and I will be stored in this variable. Okay, so this variable is unknown for this IP address because it is a string format. It is a what? Now variable. Which type variable? This string does not know that it is which type variable. So you should know the IP address that I am a what structure type variable. So here we will write struct. Okay, struct in underscore addr. It is a structure. It is a structure which stores the IP address. So so this IP addr will be stored in this variable. Before that, it will be casting to IP address type structure. So I will be close this. Okay, then run. Then see, I am to tell you, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, then comment, like and share, so that it will be motivate me to give the everyday new networking videos. Okay, then so I will be compile this. Okay, so another here you can find what is the error. You will find here request a conversion. So another bracket here is needed. So ampersand server dot scene dot sh. So here will be give the pointer type. Okay, pointer type casting. So here I'll compile. Okay, dot slash a dot out. You can find missing arguments. So we'll be right here. First IP address. What is the IP address of this server? What is the IP address of this server? I have given 127.0.0. Automatically take the 127.0.0. So here I'll be right. Okay, 0.0.1. What is the port number of this program? 8000. So here write the 8000. It will be display the connected server. It is also need. So I think you have understand how to use the command and argument in your structured programming. So I think you have understood. If you are better understood, then comment me, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe. Okay, bye, thank you.